about you waving 2 guns around in the vehicle. Waving 2 guns around? Yeah.
Yeah, do you have any weapons in the vehicle?
Firearms in the vehicle?
On May 6, 2025, deputies with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office got a 911 call. A witness reported a man driving a white SUV waving 2 firearms while an 8-month-old baby sat in the back seat. Deputies located the vehicle weaving through Palm Coast and launched a high-risk traffic stop.
Exit the vehicle. I want both hands up in the air. Do it slowly. Driver only. Both hands up. Nothing in them. Exit out. Both hands up. Yep. Step towards me. Walk towards me. Walk towards me. Hands up. Turn around. Face away. Side step to your right. Side step to your right. Stop. I can't see. Is he going to walk into the car?
Walk to your right a little more. Stop right there. Keep your hands up and keep going back to the sound of my voice.
Passenger, hands up.
Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Good. Keep backing up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Hands up. We'll explain it in a minute.
What happened?
We got a call about you waving 2 guns around in the vehicle.
Waving 2 guns around
Yes.
the vehicle?
Yeah, do you have any
Are there 2 firearms in the vehicle?
Not mine. I don't have no vehicle. No firearms in the vehicle. That's my brother's firearm.
Hey, hands up, passenger. There's not 2 handguns in the vehicle?
It's not mine.
What guns are in the vehicle?
Passenger, very slowly. I want you to exit the passenger side. Both hands in the air. In the air. Empty. Do it now. Slowly.
You got keys or something in her right hand?
Both hands up. Walk towards me. Walk towards me. Walk towards me. Walk towards me. Turn around. Hands up. Walk back. Walk back. Walk back. How old's the kid?
She's 8 months.
Are there any firearms in the vehicle?
Yes.
2 of them?
Yes.
Is the child the only other person in the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
NE60, we have adult male secure, adult female secure. They're advising an 8-month is still in the vehicle. We're going to move up to clear it. Be mindful of the 8-month-old.
Gotcha.
Okay? We'll move up on you.
Okay. Ready?
Yep, I'll be 2-man point. Be mindful backseat, juvenile. Slow, 10. I got you. Alright, NE60, the vehicle is clear. You can clear the channel.
Like I said, are there we got a call that there were firearms being waved in a vehicle on the road.
Okay, man.
You can't get in the car. Alright. So, we got a call about the firearms.
Firearms?
So you said there's possibly firearms in the
My brother's firearms are in the car, yes.
Whose vehicle is it?
That's my mom's vehicle.
It's your mom's vehicle?
Yes, we just came from McDonald's, man.
Which McDonald's?
The McDonald's across the bridge by Wendy's.
If he's on tight network. Where are they in the vehicle?
There might be one in the center console, and I don't know where the other one is.
Center console, and then we don't know where the other one is.
You don't know what?
We don't know where a second one is. There's one in the center console. It should be 2 pistols.
Look, all right. Someone called, saw him waving the guns around, dancing in the car at a stoplight. All right, is that appropriate?
He's right here if you want to talk to him.
Go ahead, Miranda. Try calling our feedback.
Look, alright, someone called about him waving guns around, dancing in the car at a stoplight. Alright, you think that's appropriate?
No.
Right, okay.
These are right here.
Yeah, do you want ID? I mean, go ahead and Mirandize him. I'll try calling the RP back. She's saying that
I promise you,
the
I didn't
witness
see him
was.
do that. I wouldn't even let him do that with my daughter.
It was because two people saw it. They saw it at a red light, and you were in the car dancing next to him.
I wasn't dancing. I've been sitting there the whole time.
All right, real quick. This is for both of you.
Here,
okay?
bring her up here. Is that your car, bro? Whose car is up there?
I have no idea.
Is this yours?
This is mine.
Yeah, just bring her up by the other. Traeger, can you ID him too? All right, boss. I just looked. You are a convicted felon. You got convicted of resisting with violence. When you were on probation and you kept violating, they adjudicated you guilty in the state of Florida. So that means you're not allowed to possess a firearm in the state of Florida, okay? You had them. You were waving them around and you're dancing. I mean, your DNA and your fingerprints are going to be on those guns. Like, do we want to literally argue that? Huh? Your baby's going with your mom. Your DNA and fingerprints are going to be on those guns, right? Because the caller said that it was you, the driver, not the female passenger who was waving them around in the car. You don't want to see her get in trouble, right? Was she waving them around in the car? Huh? Not waving them around, dancing, holding them. You what? You were putting them out of reach? So how did you put it under her seat? Okay, so you had them both and you gave them to her to put them out of reach?
No, one was already in the console, wasn't it?
Yes.
And the other one needs to be out of reach.
So where was the other one when you got it and handed it to her?
I think it was in the glove box. It was in the glove box.
So you took out the glove box and handed her to put it under her seat? That doesn't make sense. Alright, so you told her to put it under the seat? You put it under the seat. Okay. What about the black one in the center console? Is your DNA or fingerprints going to be on that? The Walther? Okay. You haven't handled that gun at all? Only the tan one? Huh? Which one? Or both? Okay. So you took it out of the glove box and put it under the seat because you thought it'd be safer under the seat. The problem is that you have a baby in the back of that car. Both of those guns are loaded. And a witness who doesn't know you, never seen you before, never seen that car before, sees you dancing with two handguns in your hand in the vehicle to loud music, calls 911, describes her, gives us the vehicle tag, and then we find it and there's two guns in the car, two handguns, just like they said. And you were the one waving them around in the car when you were dancing to music. That's the problem that we have. If you weren't waving them around, we would not be in this situation because no one would have seen them in your car. You understand? So the black one, is your fingerprints or DNA going to be on it before we send it off? Huh? It might be, yeah? It'll be on there? Which? The fingerprints or the DNA? Or both? So your fingerprints will be on both? Alright. I know you don't mean harm, but I mean, what happens if that gun goes off?
It's not going to go off.
We deal with accidental shootings all the time. And those are both loaded with a baby in the back. This was all the way by Old Kings.
But how far is Old Kings from my house?
How long did it take you to get there? I don't know. 5 minutes? 7 minutes? Yeah. I know you didn't mean harm. No one's saying you meant harm. But you've been drinking and you made a bad decision. You shouldn't have pulled him out.
Deputies quickly secured the infant and removed the firearms before things could escalate any further. The suspect was taken into custody and now faces a stack of charges, including DUI, child endangerment, and improper exhibition of a firearm. Both guns were seized, the vehicle was impounded, and the case is now in the hands of prosecutors. After clearing the scene, the Flagler County Sheriff's Office confirmed the investigation is ongoing, with additional charges still possible. Another chaotic night in Flagler County, and once again, the body cam tells the whole story.